Are you looking to gain an in-depth understanding of accounting practices? UK Versity offers the ATHE Level for Extended Diploma in Accounting, designed to provide the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in this field. With UK Versity, you get flexible online learning so you can study anytime, anywhere at your own pace. Access comprehensive materials like ebooks, recorded lectures, presentations, case studies and more to support your learning. Affordable fees are payable in installments, making earning this qualification achievable. You'll also receive personalized support from expert tutors throughout your course. The assignment-based course develops your understanding across various accounting practices like business environments, law of accounting, personal taxation, and more. Upon completion, you'll earn an accredited Level 4 qualification to allow you to take the next step in your accounting career. Start gaining the accounting knowledge you need. Enroll today in the ATHE Level for Extended Diploma in Accounting at UK Versity.